Too much intelligence. That big intelligent brain is essentially a high-fidelity tape recorder with claws. Dishwasher beeps, your neighbor's car alarm, your specific cough, a baby crying, they save everything. It's common for them to nail a ringtone so accurately that their owner answers dead air for a week straight. They don't just mimic. Some can even use words in context.
Mommy, sweet.
He's mine.
Like ordering their favorite treats from a smart assistant.
Alexa, order apple gray.
Because of this, you'll want to curate their soundscape. Playing nature documentaries or calming classical music on the TV is great. True crime marathons with lots of screaming are not. And a word to the wise, never ever laugh when they drop an F-bomb. That positive reinforcement is instant, and you'll be hearing that word for the next 40 years, especially when you have guests over.